This is red amaranth, just small portion of planting here. There little tomato. Here is four types tomato. This is black. Here is pot is growing. It will ripe also. And these are Rona tomato. Yeah. And this tomato are black. This is black tomato. This is another type of tomato. So these are my garden this year 2021. So we tried to planting jute pot herb, but it is not planted here as expected. But the unexpected pot herb also grown here, that is batta and data. So my neighbors, here is my neighbor's garden. He also various types of vegetables try to planting here. There is a flat bean, long bean, brown squash, bitter gourd, jute pot herb. Yes, so much jute pot herb. Bitter gourd and the brinjal, that means eggplant. His garden is long. Anyway, so next time we will show various types of vegetable. We also try to planted here thankuni, but it is not grown, so I don't know why, but at least we tried. Anyway, the owner of the rizq is Allah, so we tried. If the fruit is coming, then it is bonus. Thank you very much, everybody.